Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Miss AKF here. So I dropped the content yesterday on I shared my after work routine. Yesterday. That content dropped this morning on my YouTube channel. I saw a comment on the video saying I like this kind of content, so I think I'm just going to be giving you back to back. So this morning, instead of going to work, I'm going to Ikoyi passport office to capture for my passport. I actually did this. I paid 26,000 naira on the website. I'm going to share with you after I get my passport the process, how long it took me, and the entire information as regarding getting your passport at for that rate. Anyways, come along with me this morning as I share with you my routine, my another day in my life today. So I'm going to Obalinde, Ikoyi passport office at Obalinde. I was told that's the way to get there. I'm going to be entering public transport, so I'm going to share with you. Come along with me, guys.
I love you, deep in my heart.
Bus stop. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? Old. Yes, that's it. Small gist yesterday. I could not vlog because I was frustrated from moving from one office to another. So by the time I was done at Ikoyi, the passport office, number one, I could not capture because I was doing change of name. So they said I need to first submit my document. They need to approve the document I've presented to change my name. Then they are going to give me a date to capture, blah blah blah. So I just submitted my document, and because I did not capture, I just went back to the office so that since it's not it's just half day, so I went back to the office, and then coming back, let's just say that yesterday ended and I didn't pick up my camera. But today I said, let me come back here and just give an update. I just got back from work now. I want to start making dinner. As usual, I'm not going to say hello to those guys. They're in the studio. I'm suspecting they'll soon be here, but let's get cooking. I think they're about to take the light bulb. Let's start. So tonight I'm making cabbage. I have my sauce on fire already. I have my water for rice. Let's get it going.